In this video, we are going to understand how to solve questions on pedal equation. First, let's understand the formula. Formula is P is equal to R sin phi. Now, the values are P, R and phi. Let's understand them graphically. Let's know what they are exactly graphically. Let's take an axis. Let's take a curve. On this curve, let's consider a point. From the origin to this point, we will draw a radius vector and we will draw a tangent on the point through this curve. We will call phi is an angle between this radius vector and the tangent. Now we will draw a perpendicular to this tangent through the origin. We will call this length of the perpendicular as P. Now there is a right angle triangle formed between the radius vector, the tangent and the perpendicular we have drawn. So if we take sine of phi, that is equal to P by R. So sine theta is basically opposite by hypotenuse. So we can write P is equal to R sin phi. Now let's see steps to solve pedal equation. Step number 1 is find theta. Step number 2 is find phi. Step number 3 is use formula P is equal to R sin phi. Step number 4 is substitution theta from the step number 1. These are the 4 steps you need to use for solving pedal equation. We will see each and every step in detail by taking an example. Now that we know the steps, let's try to use these steps by solving some question. Let's take an example. R square is equal to A square 1 plus cos 2 theta. Step number 1 is find theta. To find theta in every question, it's a different approach. But if it in the question, if there is 1 plus cos or 1 minus cos, we know the formula. So in this question, we can find 1 plus cos of something. So we will rewrite this as R square by A square is equal to 1 plus cos 2 theta is 2 cos square theta. Now we'll send 2 this side. So R square by 2A square is equal to cos square theta. Now we can send under root that side. So cos theta is equal to root of R square by 2A square. Let's move to the step number 2, that is find phi. Let's take a question. R square equal to A square into 1 plus cos 2 theta. To understand step number 2, you can watch our video number 4. Right? So it's a substep, we can call substep as A, that is take log on the both the sides. So we can write log R square is equal to log of A square into 1 plus cos theta. Log A power n is A log n. So log R square can be written as 2 log R. Log A into B is log A plus B. So we can write log A square plus log of 1 plus cos theta. Let's go to the next step, that is step B, differentiating with respect to theta. Let's differentiate this equation. So 2 into log R differentiation is 1 by R. R differentiation is dr by dθ is equal to log A square is a number differentiation is 0 plus log differentiation is log x differentiation is 1 by x. So 1 by 1 plus cos theta into minus sin theta. 1 plus cos differentiation is minus sin theta into 2. We can take 2 and 2 out. We can send R that side. So we are left with dr by dθ is equal to minus R sin 2 theta by 1 plus cos 2 theta. Let's go to the step number C, that is reciprocate dr by dθ. If you reciprocate dr by dθ, we will get dθ by dr. If you reciprocate R, we will get 1 by R. If you reciprocate sin theta by 1 plus cos theta, we will get 1 plus cos theta by sin 2 theta. Step number 4 is applying the formula or use of the formula tan phi is equal to R into dθ by dr. So we found d theta by dr in the last step, we'll substitute that. So tan phi is equal to R into minus 1 by R, 1 plus cos 2 theta divided by sin 2 theta. This is the value of d theta by dr we got. So we can take R and R out. So we can write tan phi is equal to 1 plus cos theta can be written as 2 cos square theta and sin 2 theta can be written as 2 sin theta cos theta. So we can take 2 and 2 out and also we can take cos and cos out. So we are left with tan phi is equal to minus cos by sin is nothing but cot. So we can write tan phi is equal to minus cot theta. So this is the case number 4 that we have discussed in our trigonometric video, we can write phi is equal to pi by 2 plus theta. Let's move to the step number 3, that is use formula P is equal to r sin phi. In the last step, we have phi value as pi by 2 plus theta. Let's substitute this into the formula. So P is equal to r sin, in place of phi we'll substitute pi by 2 plus theta. So sine of pi by 2 plus theta is cos theta. So we can write P is equal to r cos theta. Let's move to the step number 4, that is substitute theta from step number 1. We have cos theta is equal to under root of r square by 2a square. This is what we got in the step number 1. So we have formula P is equal to r cos theta that we got from the last step. So we'll substitute in place of cos theta under root of r square by 2a square. So we'll get P is equal to r into under root of r square by 2a square. We can take r outside from the under root. So we can write r into r is r square divided by root 2 into root of a square is a. So P is equal to r square by root 2a is our pedal equation. If you enjoy watching our videos and want to see more, like, share and subscribe. Also comment what topics you want to see.